yan guys, yung pinakamahabang train, the cargo train. Maybe mga 3 minutes bago natapos kasi siya, long cargo train. Yung biyahe niya Calgary to Vancouver. Yan, natsampuan ko yung pinakamahabang cargo train. Yan, I will video until it will finish. We'll coverage the long cargo train. Cargo choo-choo train. Choo-choo-choo-choo. See guys, hindi pa natatapos. So, naka 1 minute and 35 seconds na. Siguro mga 3 minutes siya or 5 minutes. I don't know. We will see it. Aching! Sorry! Aching! Oh, yes, this? Excuse me! See guys, the longest cargo train in Calgary. May mga goods siya na transport dito sa Calgary and then to Vancouver. Yan, hindi pa tapos. Yan guys, nagta-transport siya ng mga goods dito. Yung iba oil or fuel. Oh, he stopped. The choo-choo train is stopped. 3 minutes na, hindi pa tapos. And guys, so longest train cargo train transport from Calgary to it's not yet done. Thank you for watching guys. I don't know what time kung ilang minutes yung niya kasi naka 3 minutes na ako. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.